morning students. This is the second video of synthetic fibers and plastic. So in the first video I already explained about the what is a natural fiber and what are different types of natural fibers, then what is a plant fiber, what is animal fibers, then about synthetic fibers also. So in this video we are going to study more about synthetic fibers. So already we know what is synthetic fibers. That means synthetic fibers are the fibers which are prepared chemically or called by using so many chemical procedures. Okay, so they are not natural fibers, they are synthetic or man-made fibers. Okay, so there are different types of synthetic fibers. So first we want to know what is a polymer and what is a monomer. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small chemical units. I already told it is made up of chemical, means it is chemical procedures or chemical methods are used for making this synthetic fiber. It is made of chain of small chemical units joined together. This small unit is called monomer and the large chain formed by this monomer is called polymer. Okay, then first synthetic fiber we are to study is rayon. So what do you know about rayon? Rayon, it is a different it is different from truly synthetic fibers because it is obtained from a natural material. That is, this rayon is obtained from a natural source because you know this rayon is prepared from cellulose. So this cellulose is done some chemical treatment and further it is made into rayon. So this is actually provided from a natural source. Though cellulose is a natural polymer, it needs extensive chemical treatment to form rayon. It is also called artificial silk. You know, silk is natural, that means we are obtaining silk from the silkworm. So this is known as artificial silk because rayon is from cellulose present in plants. So from plants cellulose is taken and this is the raw material for rayon, and it is further after so many chemical treatment this rayon is made. So what are the properties of rayon? So properties of rayon means it is easily dyed because it absorbs so much water and it is easily dyed and good absorbent of sweat and it easily drapes well. So these are the properties of rayon. Then what are the uses of rayon? It is used in textile industry and it is used as also this curtain, blankets, etc. That means it is used as bed sheets, curtain, blanket, etc. when this rayon is mixed with cotton. When this rayon is mixed with cotton, that cloth is used for making curtains, blanket, bed sheets, etc. When this rayon is mixed with wool, it is used to make carpets. Okay, so this rayon is either mixed with cotton or mixed with wool, or it is not mixed, means rayon alone is made into used for textile industries like sarees, blouses, etc. Rayon is used in medical field for bandages and surgical. So rayon is used in tire industry also and it is also used in medical field also. So what are the uses of rayon? Curtains because it's draped well. Then dress materials it is used, then mixed with glass, fiberglass for making helmet. It is even mixed with fiberglass for making helmet. Then it is used to make tracksuit and jacket and also for surgical dressings. Then next one is nylon. So nylon is another synthetic fiber which is a strong. Nylon is a polymer which is strong in nature. Chemically it is a polymer. It is the strongest synthetic plastic material which can be molded into any shape. It is strong and easy to dye. Nylon fibers do not absorb water easily. It is water repellent. This nylon is water repellent, so it will not absorb water easily. Okay, and this is the strongest of these synthetic fibers. So what are the properties of nylon? It can be made into pellets or powder. It is lustrous and easy to wash. It is the toughest elastic material. It is having high tensile strength. It is slightly water absorbent and dries quickly. So these are the properties of nylon. Nylon is the strongest because it is having high tensile strength. It will not break easily. So what are the uses of nylon? This nylon is also used in textiles like sari, shirt, etc. Nylon is used in making curtains also, like sleeping bags and tents because it is water repellent. So sleeping bags and all, if rain is also there, or if rain is coming, it is water repellent. Then it is also used for making rope, car seat belt, fishing net, etc. So that is, nylon is used making raincoat, tracksuit, fishing lines, saris, stretchable wears, seat belt, then upholstery, then ropes, reel thread. So these are the uses of nylon. Then next one is polyester. So polyester is another synthetic fiber. So we can look how this polyester is prepared. How this polyester is prepared? Alcohol and organic acid react together to make compounds called esters. So esters is a compound which is formed from reaction of this alcohol and organic acid. That means alcohol and organic acid react to form esters. So ester is a monomer. So it is so many esters together, that means so many monomer together form a polymer, which is polymer. So this polyester is a polymer of esters. Okay, polyester, that means many esters. So polyester comes under the brand name of terylene, dacron, terene, polyester. So polyester means it is polyester is a broad category. It under it, that means it can be terylene, dacron, terene, polyester. So these are the example of polyesters. Then what are the properties of polyester? It dries quickly, it is resistant to pets and chemical, it is purely synthetic. So if something happens to the dress, it will not affect easily. Then tough and lightweight and elastic. Okay. Then what are the other uses of polyester? The most important use of polyester is like terylene is making fabrics for saris, dress materials. That means it is also made for using this dress materials like saris, curtains, etc. Then polyester mixed with cotton. Polyester mixed with cotton, it is also called as polycoat, is used for making shirt, trousers, etc. That means it is mixed with cotton. Polyester is mixed with cotton, which is known as polycoat. It is used to make shirts. Then polyester mixed with wool, it is known as polywool. It is used for making suit. Then polyester is used for making sails of sailboat. Okay, polyester is used to make sails of sailboat. That means, you know, in sailboat, in the upside there will be one cloth like thing which prevents the wind, so that it is moving with the help of wind. So that is made of polyester. The polyester sails are light, strong, and do not stretch and do not rot in contact with water. Polyester is used, that means it is unreactive in water, it is repellent also, it is lightweight also. The polyester is used for making water hoses for firefighting operation. Polyester is making conveyor belt. It is also made in using conveyor. So making magnetic and audio machine PDs. These are the many. There means polyester in your textbook it is given so many uses. You can look and you will be understanding. And in your textbook one extra compound is given, that means PET. PET means it is also a polyester only, that means polyethylene terephthalate. It is a compound, comes under the category of this polyester. It is just acting like glass. Means we are using now plastic, not actually plastic, but it is the actually polyester which is replacing by this glass. I mean, instead of glass nowadays we are using this compound, this PET bottles. You have seen that in the textbook the image is given. You can look in page number 47. Okay, next synthetic fiber is acrylic. Acrylic is often used as a substitute for wool. So wool, you know, it is a natural fiber. So instead of natural fiber in synthetic fiber, we are using acrylic in the case of wool. Acrylic fibers are strong and wrinkle resistant. It is easy to wash and rise quickly. It is resistant to moth, oils, chemicals, and deterioration. Deterioration means destruction by some process like bacteria or degradation process. So these are the properties of acrylic. So acrylic can also easily available in cheap. Then it can be dyed easily. Then it is resistant to moth. It is soft with crimps and resembling wool. It is similar to the wool. It is durable, light, and washable. That means it long lasting and it is light in weight and it can be easily washed. Okay, once more I will tell the characteristics of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are very strong. That means they are it is easily not broken, some or tear. Then second one is synthetic fibers are more durable. It lasts for long time. Synthetic fibers absorb very little water. Then synthetic fibers are wrinkle resistant, they will not get wrinkled easily. The synthetic fibers are quite lightweight, synthetic fibers are extremely fine, synthetic fibers are not attacked by moths. Then in the natural fibers they are easily damaged by moth. Then synthetic fibers do not shrink, then that synthetic fibers are less expensive than readily available clothes made from synthetic fibers are easily to maintain. So these are the importance or characteristics of synthetic fibers. So synthetic fibers means there are so many synthetic fibers. So you want to understand why we are choosing synthetic fibers, because it is chemically prepared and we can, in natural fibers means it is depending upon the nature, or we want to prepare that naturally. But synthetic fibers means we can made in by using chemical treatment, and it is easily available, it is cheap, it is more durable, because we are making according to our needs, we can change, then it is not attacked by moths, and these are the advantages of synthetic fibers than natural fibers. Then next one is blending fibers. So blending fibers means terylene and cotton blend known as terrycoat is used for making dress materials. So terylene means it comes under the category of polyester, and cotton blend, it's mixed with cotton known as terrycoat is used for making dress materials. I already told it is mixed with cotton, so it can be used as dress material. And terylene and wool, that means terylene is again mixed with wool also, that is known as terry wool. It is used as a substitute for costly woolen clothes. So instead of wool it is used as terry wool, that means synthetic material. Then polyester and cotton blend is more crease resistant, that means they are resistant towards crease. Then next one is advantage of synthetic, this one I already told, they are strong, they retain original shape, elastic in nature, then soft, they are soft, then do not absorb moisture, so these are the main 4 advantages. They are strong, they retain original shape, elastic, they are soft. Then we can look what are the disadvantages. They do not absorb moisture. If they are not absorbing moisture means they will not absorb sweat, so we feel irritation if you are wearing synthetic fibers. Then they are rough feel, synthetic fibers may give us rough feel, making it unsuitable clothes and all. So sometimes synthetic fibers will be providing us uncomfortable by these 2 reasons. Okay, then next one is about plastics. You know what is plastic? Okay, so about plastic and types of plastic I will be explaining in the next video. If you have any doubts regarding these topics of the second video of this chapter synthetic fibers, you can comment in the section, or you can ask me, or you can message me in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.